before I start this video, I just want to say Merry Christmas to all y'all, and I hope you had a great Christmas. And yeah, and this is one of my Christmas presents that I got was a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It's a Diane Zanchi. I got a 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and a 5x5 Diane Zanchi. And yeah, so right quick, I'm gonna do a solve. So I'm gonna mix it up right quick. Just gonna mix up. Look at you guys. Alright, what's that good? Alright. This is the hard part, trying to keep it in frame. So here we go. Set, go. And me and my brother will be doing a race at the end of this, so stay tuned for that. Sorry if it's not in frame a lot, because I'm not the best. Alright. I think, yeah, I'm about to be finished. Alright, I solved it. Yeah. I'll see you guys back when me and my brother are gonna do a race. Alright guys, so right now me and my brother are about to do the 2x2 race, and yeah, so I got my Diane Zanchi, he's got his Diane Zanchi, and we're about to mix up. Here we go. You got 10 seconds. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Inspection time. Ready? Set, go.
No. Alright.
Ready, set, go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh crap, I messed up. Done.
Same. I think that was close to a tie, probably.
Yeah. Pretty close. Hey guys, it's actually, he just learned the algorithms without his phone, and I've been doing this for a couple, like, for a couple weeks. Like a half a month, like, I don't know, like almost a month, and he just learned it today. So I think he did really good. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, so like I said,
Comment who won, because
yeah,
I'm pretty sure it looked pretty close. So
I don't know if you know my name, Luke, but I don't know if you know his. His name's Caleb, my big brother. He's been in some of my videos, not a lot of them. So yeah, hope you like it. Like I said, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, and peace out.